Hello, this is Dan Ferrisi, Editor-in-Chief with Commercial Integrator. Really happy to be joined today at the HDBaseT booth by Jonathan Ferry of Key Digital. Thank you so much, Jonathan, for taking some time to chat with me.
It's my pleasure. Thank you so much for having us.
My pleasure. So obviously, unified communications and collaboration, it is a key area these days. It seems like the whole industry's attention has turned to UC&C, not only because of the pandemic, but we've moved on to a trajectory now where it seems to be the future. So why don't you, before we even start getting into products and solutions from Key Digital, just kind of set the table. Let me know about the importance of the UC&C category as a whole to our industry right now.
Totally. Thank you very much. So, well, just like so many trends, with the pandemic, these trends that perhaps would have taken a whole decade to occur in the industry or in our lifestyles, they've been expedited. Those things had to happen in a period of less than 12 months. And so technology is what delivers us this capability. And so we actually had already had a number of these products in design and development stages, maybe even some that had just been released, and knowing that, hey, this is going to be a goal that's, this is going to be something that's going to be a crucial part of the infrastructure, maybe in 5 years or something like that. But then, the green light went, and it really just expedited that, and we were in a great place for it. So UCC, Unified Communications Collaboration, the whole point of this is to unify all these different platforms, all these different technologies, all these different endpoints that are part of the tool set that we work with, okay? And the name of the game in doing this right now, and what we're trying to achieve, is to do this in a way that's so flexible. We're not trying to sell an end user a proprietary system that means here is a solution, but it is completely closed off, or completely, you're limited, you're within this box. We know that with bring your own device and these sorts of things, you really have to accommodate everything, every connectivity, every video conferencing platform, take all these proprietary communication languages and make it all work together. And that's really the challenge of UCC, but at Key Digital, we've been very good at achieving this already, because multiple languages, multiple connectivities, this is what we've been doing ever since we've come out and we've had our control system, had our AV distribution products.
So let me ask you this. Obviously, we're stationed at the HDBaseT booth here. My understanding is HDBaseT technology is really critical to, indispensable to some of Key Digital's, or many of Key Digital's solutions. Can you talk about your core reliance on HDBaseT and how it powers and enables your solutions?
Yeah. HDBaseT, just rewind a decade ago. If you were extending AV, USB, KVM, you would have a bouquet of wires. You would have a bouquet of wires at your conference room table. You wouldn't be able to plug in one wire. You certainly wouldn't be able to do it all over a single Cat6 cable, right?
No way.
And so HDBaseT has been just crucial in unifying things. Again, that word, right? That buzz term. Unifying all those different types of signals, sending audio, video, control, Ethernet, USB. We know and power. We know the 5-play. And doing it over a single cat wire is amazing. Doing it reliably is game-changing. It's absolutely game-changing. And that's why, when you look around a trade show floor, so many competitors, we have this commonality, right? We use HDBaseT. And then at Key Digital, our goal is to key digitize. What do I mean by that? You could always add on to an existing board, an existing foundation you could always build upon. And how do we make it different from others so that there is a clear reason, a clear advantage, a clear benefit for using a Key Digital product? And that's always our goal when it comes to developing those kind of products.
So if people wanted to find out more about Key Digital Solutions, about HDBaseT and how you all work together, what would be a resource? You could mention the booth you're at here at the show, you could mention web resources. If people want to learn more and we've whet their appetite, where can they go?
Yeah, you know, well, of course, right here at the show, we're at W1337, part of the HDBaseT Alliance booth, keydigital.org, and I personally, as the VP of Product Education and Experience, I personally am responsible for what we call Key Digital University, and these are one of my pet projects is called Coffee with Key. So if you like coffee, just watch these videos. They're about 15 to 20 minutes long, you know, your cup of coffee. And we try to educate you, giving these bite-sized bits of information about our systems, the benefits, etc. So Coffee with Key on Key Digital University, keydigital.org is the website. And if you're here in Las Vegas, then I'm always happy to meet more people.
Sounds great. Thank you so much, Jonathan Ferry, for taking time to chat with me here at the HDBaseT booth, W1337. I really appreciate the insights as well as the information just in general about the important Key Digital Solutions and how it depends on HDBaseT.
Thank you.
My name is Dan Ferrisi, Editor-in-Chief with Commercial Integrator. Thanks so much.